Sacramento, Placer, and Yolo counties were part of an emergency alert test this morning. CBS 13's Loy Wallace has more on why these alerts are so important and the push to get more people signed up to receive them.
You are looking at the emergency alert test people in Sacramento, Placer, and Yolo counties got today.
And having that alert is really important. It aids our communication to let people know what to do next.
This test also helps the Emergency Operations Center make sure they're equipped and ready for the real thing.
We want to be ready for disasters, just like we ask the community to be ready for disasters.
Mary Jo Flynn, a coordinator at the center, is encouraging more people to get signed up to be notified when there's an emergency situation.
But we have 1.5 million people in Sacramento County, and so with about 600,000 households, we're not even a third of the way to getting people to opt in.
With a strong series of storms sweeping through this area over the next 2 days,
Should there be a need to evacuate, we want you registered now.
This is a reminder to get ahead of disaster and to have a plan for your family.
The longer it takes somebody to find out about a problem and then start taking action can cause people's lives to be lost, and we don't want to see that happen here in our 3 counties.
You can still sign up for multiple addresses and devices to get notified about more than one geographical location. Here's a look at some of the sites to visit to register for those alerts: sacalert.org, placeralert.org, and yoloalert.org.